And we're back with another vocabulary lesson, the very first of 2022. Let's get started with word number 1 is lethargic. At this time of the year, people are not really lethargic. People have goals and New Year's resolutions, and that's where you set your routine, you become active, you become the opposite of lethargic, which means lazy. Don't be lethargic in 2022. Word number 2 is considerable. Next time you want to say something is great or huge or big or something where you want to describe how massive something is, just say it is considerable. So there were a considerable amount of people in the mall yesterday. Or I'm in considerable amount of debt. Hopefully you're not. But you see what I mean. Anything that is great or huge, an amount or an event that is of a considerable importance, you use that word. Word number 3 is downright. So you would hear this a lot, especially with the new generation, when they're saying this is downright crazy, this is downright stupid, or this is downright the best idea I've ever had. That means completely or totally. This is totally the best idea I've ever had. That's what downright means. Word number 4 is explicit. Explicit is something that is clear or detailed. So I gave him explicit instructions on how to do whatever, which means clear and detailed. The next word is forthright. So it's a good thing to be forthright. Forthright people are appreciated because those people are straightforward or honest people. So if you're a forthright person or you want the other person to be forthright with you, it means you want them to be honest and not hide anything from you, not be secretive about what they really want. The next word for you is full-blown. Full-blown is total, complete, too much. So if this whole idea is going to be a full-blown success, great. Full-blown disaster, total or complete disaster. So it is very similar to that word downright and full-blown. Very similar. They both mean complete or total. The next word is constrain. Constrain is to compel someone. So if you make decisions in your life, there shouldn't be any constraint. As long as you're an adult, there shouldn't be any constraint from maybe your parents, maybe your boss, your partner. Any constraint means you are restricting yourself because someone else is forcing you to do something. So constraint is not appreciated. Dawdle is the next word. Dawdle means to waste time. So I would like to hire someone who's passionate in this company and doesn't dawdle. Another way of saying doesn't waste time. And we have retardment. So retardment is someone who is delaying the process, or if there is a delay in process. For example, the shipping from Amazon faced a retardment because of the snowy conditions. Right now it's snowing, and that's what we can use a lot in Canada, actually. So if there's a retardment in any process, it means there's a delay. So there's something that is stopping some progress from being achieved. That's retardment for you. The next word is showstopper. Showstopper, you can understand, I mean, you can pretty much make out the meaning of it. Showstopper is something so amazing, so unbelievable, so majestic, so great that it stops the show. Everyone pays attention to that. So if we have someone in NBA or NFL, they're doing a great game. This one person, he does all the scores, he gets all the points, he wins the match for his team, or she does, then that person is a showstopper. Or whatever they did that made them win the match or the game, that event or that action was the showstopper. It made everybody look, it made everybody discuss. And cessation. So cessation is stopping of something. Cease means to stop, that's the verb. Cessation comes from that too. So cessation is stopping something. We want the cessation of all the wars happening around the world. It means we want them to stop. Literally, please stop wars all over the globe. That would be cessation of that. The next word is expedition. Expedition, a lot of you might know them. The thing is with expedition, people think it means a fun, joyous trip. So if you go on a vacation, don't say I'm going on an expedition. Expedition is for educational trips. Either you're going there or that place for education or to accomplish something. Maybe you want to discover a treasure. You want to discover a new element. If you're going for a purpose, which is non-pleasure related, that is going to be a trip or a journey, which is going to be called expedition. And going towards the last 3 words, we have hustle. Hustle is a good word that I use quite often. Hustle means to take something by forceful action. So I could say that if I'm not able to get my business goals with what I'm doing, I'm gonna hustle. I gotta hustle. And that means you can think of a lot of things. It means work hard. It means to just push yourself to the limit. And here, what I want to show you is it means something being done by forceful action. So if I can't wake up at 8 a.m., I'm gonna hustle. I'm gonna push myself. I'm gonna force myself. If people tell me that I can't do this business, I'm gonna hustle. I'm gonna force myself, and I'm gonna show these people what I got. Okay, that means hustle, forcefully pushing yourself towards something. The second last word is engrossed. I chose this word because a lot of people say this person or that person is busy. We don't really have a synonym for busy. That's what a lot of people think. There is one, and that is engrossed. So if you are busy doing something, or she is busy doing something, you can just say that she is engrossed in whatever. I'm engrossed in teaching all day, so I don't have time for anything else. And the last word for you is astute. This is another choice of my words because a lot of people want to say you're smart or intelligent or sharp. Just say astute. That is a more fashionable vocabulary for you to learn, and it sounds like it can make it for a good synonym in writing or speaking if you're saying too much smart or intelligent. Astute is a good synonym as a replacement. And that's it. That is the 15th word. I hope this vocabulary lesson helps you out. It's the first of 2022, and a lot more to come. So please subscribe, like, and share. We'll talk very soon. Take care, everybody. See ya.